Go ask Ali. Ali is in, and the first question comes from Lisa.
Hi, Ali.
Hi, Lisa.
Nice to meet
Can I offer you some pink lemonade?
Yes, you can. Thank you very much.
Yes.
I have a daughter who is graduating in May from college.
Uh-huh.
She's going to be coming home after 4 years, and I was wondering if you had any advice for me on how to parent her, but still be able to give her freedom.
Well, first of all, let's get that little space above the garage ready. Let's put some carpeting down there. I think you can't parent anymore. I think if she wants to bring home the guy with the thing in his nose, you gotta let him. Yeah, no, when they're teenagers, like I have a 15-year-old, like you can kind of control them. I mean, you just take away their phone and they fall, they turn into
They
water.
collapse to the ground.
But I think at this age, she's pretty much who she is. I mean, her frontal lobe is already developed, so there's nothing you can do. Just don't try to be her best friend. Don't like go to Pilates with her and do shots, and don't be that mom. Don't be Amy Poehler from whatever that movie was. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was fun.